Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new way to create websites that can make you money. Okay, now this is for educational purpose. Please watch this video till the end, because if you get this software through my link, you'll also get some bonuses from my end. Now this is one good way to make money online. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. I'll give you a demo of this software. It's called MovieVolt. Now if you do not know what MovieVolt is, just go to the link on the description and you just click the link. Okay, now it is an automated movie and TV show affiliate websites. That means and this software will create website for you in a matter of just 3 clicks. Okay, now it is and you will earn through Amazon or iTunes. Okay, so just go through the sales page out here, and remember, the first 250 smart action takers get access to 5 done for you websites. Okay, so if you want other plus 100 reseller license, now this is something I want you guys to go and get it as soon as possible. Okay, so because later once this vanishes, you won't get those bonuses. Okay, so let's go to the app which I'm talking about. It's a web-based app. Let's go to MovieVolt and let's log in. Okay, so once you log in, you can see that there'll be some videos for you, and these videos will be added. More videos will be added, but this 8 videos is enough for you to know how to create your website. Okay, so let's go and create a website for you guys. Okay, so let's go now. Remember, you do not need hosting, you do not need domain name. Everything can be done from the subdomain. Okay, so I'll just give a okay movie. Okay, so I'm just giving a name to create a website for me. Okay, so you can write whatever it is. Now these are some domains which I have already done. So this is one. Okay, not this one, this one, Pros Movies. Okay, so I just created a site and let's open the site. Okay, so in a matter of just few moments, the website is already ready for you. Okay, it's ready for you to rock and roll. Okay, now this is a complete done for you website where you can earn affiliate commissions from Amazon, iTunes, and if you just look at, just scroll and just look. Okay, so now this is a space for banners. Okay, so you can add you can see out here. Okay, so all these banner ads. Okay, now you can add any ads, whether you are doing CPA marketing, whether you have to promote some affiliate products, whether you want to promote your own product, whatever it is, you'll earn from banners. Or you can also even sell the space. Okay, sell the space once your website starts getting a lot of traffic. Okay, so now this website, you can just there are a lot of categories to choose from. Also, you can also choose by genre, and there are also TV episodes. There are hundreds and hundreds of TV episodes for you. Now pages, you can add pages out here. You can also create your blog, which will be very helpful for you for your SEO purpose. You can search movies by keywords out here. Now your website is already done for you. Okay, so which one was it? Across movie. Okay, so now let's go. This is the site listing. Okay, now let's go to the site settings now. Which Brass movie. Okay, so let's go and edit this site. Okay, now you can go and add logo to it. You can add your email addresses. You can write a short description about the site. You can add a Facebook profile URL, Instagram profile, Twitter URL. Now all this will be helpful because all this will be out here. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, it is very useful for your promotion. Okay, so now you can also add meta titles and description for SEO purpose, and also the favicon. Okay, so after you do this, you just have to click the save now button. Okay, save site. Okay, so now site setting is very easy. It can be done in a matter of few minutes. Okay, now site pages. Now if you want to add site pages out here, let's go to the top out here. Okay, so if you want to add more content, you can always add pages, and just write page 1 and select the site. Brass movie mania or Brass movie. Okay, so this one's you can edit your website. Okay, let's see, Brass movie. Yeah, this one, and you can add your logo out here. You can it's just a test. Okay, so let's just click submit. Now your page has been created out here. Okay, so now you can see there's nothing out here. Just now I'm just refreshing the page. Once I refresh the page, you can see the page one. Okay, now we have not added any content to it, but we can add content. Okay, now you can see out here that it's just like that. Now you can see below there are lots of options for people to share the movies, they'll watch the trailer, etc. Okay, I'll just show you in a while. Okay, site pages. Okay, now you can add pages. Now if you want to blog, of course, you can always add blog contents. Now this is the main part. Okay, so the Amazon affiliate ID. Now don't leave this blank. Okay, insert your Amazon affiliate ID out here, insert your iTunes affiliate ID and use API keys for your website will be it will be full of content itself, because it will go and pull out news, the latest news with the topic, the movies. Okay, so movies, TV shows, about TV shows, movies, it will just go and pull out all these things. Okay, so all the news it will pull out and bring it to your website. Okay, so that your content, you get fresh content to your website every single day. Okay, so make sure you go and insert your Amazon ID out here. It's very easy to create an Amazon account. Just go to amazonassets.com and just create an Amazon account. Okay, then I'll show you actually how you get paid. Okay, so suppose someone comes out here. Okay, so he or she wants to go and watch Life of Pi. Okay, so if you haven't watched this movie, it's a very good movie. Now he or she will go and look for the trailer. Okay, now they will watch the trailer out here, and if they like the movie, so let's click. Now they'll watch this trailer. Now if they like the movie, they'll go out here. Okay, so they go and buy on Amazon or they buy on iTunes. Okay, so whatever they do, you'll make a commission. Okay, so whether they buy on iTunes or Amazon, you make a commission. If they share, your website will get more traffic. Okay, so now there are a lot of ways to make money using this website. Okay, that means you can get paid by Amazon affiliate program, you can get paid by iTunes affiliate programs, and once you scroll down, you can see out here the banner space. Okay, so now you can promote whatever you want. Okay, your affiliate site, so whether it's CPA site, whether you want to promote any product, physical product, digital product, ClickBank products, Digistore 24 products, whatever it is, you can go and remove this banner and this ad, and you can just choose whatever you want to choose. Okay, so let's go to this site. Okay, so let's say this is the affiliate site. Okay, so now you just have to change this listing. Now next thing is the site blog. Okay, now you can create your blog. You can create your remember, you have a lot of website out there. Now for which website you are doing, you have to select. Okay, so you have to select. You can use your own RSS feed URL, or you can write your content out here, insert keywords and start. Okay, so you can create blogs, you can the site articles. Okay, now site articles are already being populated every time. Okay, so I just made this website a few hours ago, and you can see that the news has started to come. Okay, the news has started to come, and it will get populated out here. Okay, now this will be very helpful for your SEO rankings. Okay, so once your site is fresh, your blog contents are being added, you are getting these articles. Okay, the articles are being listed on your website using this news API key. You'll start seeing good number of traffic. Okay, now next thing is the site ads. Like I told you, there are a lot of banners. You can add or delete banners in the homepage banner. The size, you can see the size on the sidebar. Inside content body, you can add a banner inside the content. You can also add Facebook pixel, Google Analytics, custom code will be added inside head tags. Okay, so you can choose accordingly. Okay, so you can, whether you want to add code or whether you want to add banner directly. Okay, so once you upload the banner, you can enter your affiliate link out here. Okay, so if you are promoting something, so this is a very good. This is a very good way to make a good amount of money. You are getting a done for you money making affiliate site. There are millions of movies and TV shows being listed out here. If you want to change password, you can do it out here, and this is the training part. Okay, now if you get this app from my link, you'll also get a bonus. Okay, so let's see. So I should not show you the bonus because they are the links. Okay, now what are these bonus? Okay, so if you need help, you can also create a ticket out here. I'll just go and show you the bonus, but before that, let's look at the site again. Okay, now why this website is will make you money. Okay, so because it is a complete done for you system. It's a money making affiliate, instant movies and TV shows. You get commissions for every sale from this website. Okay, so there are millions of movies and TV shows listed out here, automatically updated every single hour. No need for domain and hosting purchases. Okay, so you do not need domain, you do not need hosting if you do not want to. People can browse movies and TV shows by genre. Supports 130 iTunes stores countries. Okay, so the homepage popular movies scrolling carousels. Okay, homepage featured movies. Okay, so there are lots of categories out here. Homepage popular TV shows seasons, detailed movie and TV season pages. Okay, so everything is there. TMDB movie and TV star ratings. Okay, now there will also be IMDb rating system inside this same site. Okay, so there are lots of options. Okay, there are also a lot of social links so that you can your website, your movie site will get shared, and there are lots of stuff. Okay, more than 30 sharing buttons. Okay, it's a responsive design. So these are some of the benefits for you guys. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a demo of what you'll get once you go and get this software. Okay, so if you go to the sales page, you just have to go and click here to get instant access. It's only $17, but the price may rise very soon. Okay, so you are just 3 clicks away, and I'm just going to the sales page so that you do not have to waste your time looking at it. Okay, so you can just go and get this software instantly. Okay, from launching. Step 1 is access. You get the login details. You input some details I just showed you out here, and you click the publish button, and your website is ready to rock and roll. Okay, now people are earning a good amount of money using the system, and once you go and get this system through my link, I'll also give my personal bonus to you. Okay, so the personal bonus is I'll give you a system where you can get hundreds, thousands, even 5,000, 10,000 clicks to your website every single day. Okay, and those are real people who are interested in watching movies. Okay, so those type of highly targeted people will come to your website. Okay, so I'll be giving you that bonus for you guys, but you have to go and get this software through the links provided in the description of this video. Okay, now you can see drag and drop powerful website editor. Yeah, everything is there. Okay, so one click load of website with 1 million done for your movies. You can just go and check out the sales page. Okay, so just go and if you want to read, you can go and check it out, but I do not want to waste your time because I've already shown you the bonus. Let's go to the back end once more. Just look at it. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, and a lot of stuffs are being added out there. So if you go and lock your license just for $17, you'll get more features. Okay, so I've talked to the developers and they are adding some really awesome stuffs out there, and you'll get lifetime updates. Okay, so go and get this software today. This much for today. This is a new way to make money online. This is of course for education purpose and demo purpose. So you know that when I recommend products, I recommend the best one, but sometimes I want you guys to take the decision yourself. Okay, so just go. I just wanted to show you what it's inside MovieVolt. I liked it, I got it. I think this has a lot of potential. This is a very new way to make money online. Yeah, I've seen a lot of ways that are the same scrappy software. They are just rehashing and selling, but this is something new, and this is something that can be for a long time. Okay, so you can make money for a long time, and this can really make a good amount of money. Thank you very much for watching my demo video. You guys are awesome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like my videos, comment on my videos. I just want you to make money online. Thank you. Let's make money together. Bye bye.